What's up guys? It is ride day. Let's head to the trails and see what's about. Cheers.
Many miles away from home, steps are difficult, I'm exhausted, but I did not fall. I hope something good is coming up.
So we finally made it. It's about a 30-minute drive from my house. Yeah, super fun place to go, super good to hone in the skills and stuff. There's a lot of different tracks out here, from like beginner skills and advanced jump lines. So many different lines out here. Yeah, we're gonna try and run through as many as we can today, and I'll pretend like I'm not getting lost for you. Pretty sure I'm heading in the right direction. Okay, I might be lost. Sweet. All right, we'll give her a short run up and see how the big girl's feeling. Hey, have you liked and subscribed yet? Good work, I thought so. When I go out riding, my sort of preferential suspension setup is I'll fully click it out on the front, and I'll do 1, maybe 2 clicks back. Just I like to ride my suspension a bit stiffer. Sometimes I think I bottom out a bit too much, so I might look at getting some spaces put in there shortly. And my rear suspension, I'll run that halfway, unless I'm just coming here to do jumps and bigger drops and stuff like that, then I might lock it out. Same with that, I need to check the pressure that I'm running in my rear suspension. Probably put a bit more PSI in than what is recommended. On a slippery run, bit of a drop off here, some rocks, quick jumps as well. Wicked. Duck the tree. Oh, stay on track. See how we go. Oh, she's slippery. That is super fun. Hey guys, if you've managed to hang out to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching and supporting something new. I'd like to say a big thanks to Trek JOONDALUP for everything they do for me. They hooked me up with some sweet gear and my bike, of course, and they keep me rolling. Thanks guys, see you next time.